Hi everyone, today's video is all about concealers, whether it should be lighter or darker. I will tell you each and everything, so stay tuned. Knowing about concealers, let's first apply foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation here, and this is one of my favorite foundation for minimal coverage, and you will never end up caking up your face. For concealers, I'm using this Kryolan palette for showing you 3 different shades. One which is darker than my skin tone, and one which is my shade, and the one which is lighter than my skin tone. Let's apply right under my eyes. The brush I'm using is Real Technique buffing brush. So this is the concealer darker than my foundation. As you can see, it looks odd, although you cannot use it on its own. If you observe carefully, it has a peach undertone. It cancels out the darkness, so you can use it to color correct or cover your hyperpigmentation and dark circles. Over this, I'm using that shade of concealer which is the exact match to my skin tone. It gives you a full coverage finish look. It completely covers up your dark circles as you applied it on top of the dark concealer. Now let's test out the lighter shade of concealer. I'm going to start by applying it underneath my eyes with the Real Technique application brush, and later on blending it with PAC 272 brush. As you can see, it highlights underneath the eyes when you use a lighter shade of concealer, but because I have dark circles, it gives me ashy tone. If you don't have any dark circles, you definitely use a lighter shade, but if you do have dark circles, first step is to color correct. Now applying the actual shade of my skin tone as my concealer. It gives me full coverage look and even out my skin tone and does not give any ashy tones. You can use some of the lighter shade to brighten up your under eye area, but totally don't depend on the lighter shades, just use the right color before that. That is how it looks after the correct application. Your under eyes look perfect. You can use such light shades to highlight your face, like center of the nose, center of the forehead and chin. These areas can be highlighted. I hope that clarifies what shades of concealer you can use and how to use it. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, and please take a moment to subscribe and like my video. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye guys.